Hey, what's going on? Todd Shaw with another episode of the Sawdust Dude. Woo! Hey, man, I appreciate you watching so much. Listen, if you got one of these awesome Dewalt planers, but sometimes you're feeding the board through and it'll start and stop, start and stop, and you're kind of having to push it along, well, stay tuned. I'm going to hook you up how you can make that go away. Oh, yeah. But I want you to get like an old t-shirt, something that you can use to clean the rollers with. We're gonna grab some rubbing alcohol or low odor mineral spirits. You're gonna use one of those products. You don't wanna use anything too aggressive because the rollers are rubber and we don't wanna break that down. Oh no, then you got other problems, okay? All right, so first thing we're gonna do is just make sure the machine's unplugged. Yeah, right, okay, yeah, I do have to say that, okay? So here we go. Make sure the machine's unplugged. Get my product out of the way here. Machine's unplugged. I tested. It's good. Then we're gonna go the other way. Then we're gonna crank it all the way to the top. I'll speed this part up. A couple things that we want to do. One, I want to inspect the bed itself. Make sure there are no gouges, and you can see, especially because I run reclaimed lumber and it has nails in there sometimes. And watch another video on maintenance and kind of general use for this Dewalt planer. But make sure you check out the bed. Make sure there's no rough spots, if there's a burr in the metal. And so I'm going to do the front and back, and I'm just going to lightly rub my hand over it like that. If it is, you can take sandpaper. And once you make sure that the bed's free of any obstacles, and if you sanded off any burrs or anything like that in the bed, you can use like car wax. That doesn't have to be Brazilian car wax, but if you care, it's only the best. So yeah, just take your car wax, make sure, put a good smooth surface down there so that the bed's real smooth and the wood can kind of glide across. Now, one of the things that you can do is this. Over here on the selector dial, just kind of turn it to the middle like that. That kind of puts it in neutral. That way I can roll these. I can turn my rollers, and you can see how there's some build up in my machine there. And these are the rollers. There's one in the front and one in the back, and then this little silver part here, that's the cutting head, so you want to be careful with that because those knives are sharp, obviously. So let's just take a little bit of alcohol and just go across and clean these rollers. And of course, it's in neutral so I can spin them freely. Let's get it. Well, there you go. Well, pretty simple fix. Just a little rubbing alcohol and the big little trick there, keeping that thing in neutral. Yeah, that deserves a thumbs up right there. But listen, guys, appreciate you watching. If your planer's feeding sporadically, 9 times out of 10, that's your problem. Well, this is on the Dewalt DW 735 planer. Awesome planer. But there you go. Cool deal. Well, as I say, better skills, better results. That'll get you going again. Hey, thanks for watching another episode of the Sawdust Dude. Oh, yeah. I'll see you real soon. Woo!